Your car heater blowing cold air and you're thinking about taking it to a mechanic? Stop right there, because you could walk out with $1,000 to $2,000 repair bill for something you could fix yourself for less than $6. In this video, I'm going to show you why your heater isn't working, simple DIY checks anyone can do, a cheap trick that fixes most heater cores, and a bonus tip that can prevent 40% of engine failures. Let's jump in. Step 1. Check the thermostat. First up, the thermostat. About 30% of heating problems are caused by a bad thermostat, especially in older cars. Here's what happens. If the thermostat gets stuck open, coolant keeps circulating constantly, so your engine never fully warms up. And if the engine isn't hot, your heater can't blow hot air. Signs: car takes forever to warm up. Temp gauge stays low. Code P0128. Fix: just replace the thermostat. Cheap part, easy repair. Step 2, check coolant level. This one is super overlooked. Your heater actually uses hot coolant, not electricity. Low coolant means no heat, because air gets trapped inside the heater core and air doesn't transfer heat properly. When the engine's cold, check radiator level, check reservoir. Never too low, never overfilled. Before we continue, quick question. Have you ever checked your coolant yourself, or do you just go straight to the mechanic every time? And would you rather save $1,000 today? If yes, hit that like button, drop a comment saying DIY fix, and subscribe because I post simple car tips that save you real money. All right, let's keep going. Step 3. Engine temperature check. Your heater depends on engine heat, so take the car for a short drive. Look at the temp gauge. It should sit right in the middle. If too low, cooling problem. Too high, overheating issue. Both will mess up your heater. Step 4. AC climate settings. Sometimes it's not even mechanical. It's just settings. Try this. Temp all the way to red. Fan low at first. Turn on recirculation. Recirculation reuses warm cabin air instead of pulling in freezing air from outside. Heats up way faster. Bonus tip: prevent future problems. Want to avoid all this in the future? Change your coolant regularly. Every 2 to 5 years, or 30 to 60,000 miles. Old coolant turns into sludge, and sludge clogs heater cores. Simple maintenance saves thousands. If this video saved you money today, like. Comment your car model if you need help. Subscribe for more simple DIY fixes. Remember, don't pay the mechanic first. Check it yourself first. See you in the next one.